Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever encountered the notorious Xbox Live error code 8385C352? The error read, "Sorry, there was a problem, please try again later." As per the user's complaints when they try to sign into the Xbox Live and tap on the Remember My Password option, they receive this error. Users also have shared that if they don't choose the Remember My Password option, they can log in fine. In our research, we have noticed that the error is very common with the Xbox 360, and if we come to the reasons for the error, then, as of now, it is not clear why this error exactly comes, but there are a few workarounds that may help you bypass the error. First off, deleting your profile might just do the trick. Many users reported successfully resolving the issue this way. Here's how to do it. Navigate to System Settings, select Storage, pick Profiles. Then choose the profile you want to delete. Then you'll see two options, Delete Profile Only and Delete Profile and Items. Make sure you select Delete Profile Only. Then restart your Xbox 360. Once your Xbox restarts, tap the Guide button, select the Download Profile option, and enter your account credentials. However, if this doesn't solve the problem, there's another workaround you can try. Simply avoid using the Remember My Password option. Granted, it's not the most convenient solution, but it might be worth it to keep that error at bay. If, after trying these steps, you're still facing the error, it's time to reach out to the Xbox support team to report the issue. Visit support.xbox.com/en-us/contact-us and choose from the on-screen options. You can also use the Ask a Question option to get help from the Xbox virtual agent. In summary, dealing with the Xbox Live error code 8385C352 can be a bit of a pain, but there are ways around it. You can delete and re-download your profile, avoid using the Remember My Password option, or reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. Remember, every problem has a solution, you just need to find the right one. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.